Yo dudes! It's a bit weird saying that by myself. Anyway, welcome to €1 dinner for weight loss. This cost me €1. I was down in Super Value earlier. I spent €4.34. I'm gonna cook dinner. It's gonna take me 5 minutes and it's gonna serve 4 people. So without further ado, on your marks, that's to me, get set, go! Okay, boom, we've started. Okay, so I got mushrooms. I got flat cap mushrooms. And so for weight loss, the trick here is I'm cooking with no oil. I'm just gonna add things straight into the pan as I go. So with no oil, obviously, you need a decent non-stick pan. I've been heating this pan up so it's nice and hot. Okay, we'll get it hotter. We'll get it actually really, really hot. I've got flat cap mushrooms, button mushrooms, any kind of mushrooms. They were on special in the supermarket this morning. Just slice them nice and finely. Obviously, this might take you 7 minutes when you're at home, but one of the criticisms we get for our 5-minute dinners is, oh, there's 2 of you. And yeah, but I guess today I'm going up by myself, going solo. Okay, so mushrooms in the pan. I think I've got about 150 grams. Slice them nice and finely. So I'm gonna make a quick stir fry. It's gonna be quick, easy, simple. And the reason why I say it's good for weight loss is 1, we're not using oil. 2, it's all veg based, so it's naturally be low in calories. It's gonna be really high in fiber. It's gonna be high in different nutrients, all sorts of different phytonutrients. So yeah, it should fill you up. And have you singing and dancing and giving you loads of energy, and also being incredibly tasty. Okay, so 150 grams of mushrooms. Use whatever you can, whatever's on special. Literally, I just went into Soup Value this morning and I was looking for what's on special, what's cheap, and how can I put together a dinner that's going to cost me approximately €1 per portion. Mine, I think, is going to cost €1.06 or something per portion. Okay, so mushrooms in the pan. How are we doing? Okay, it's taken me 2 minutes. Jeez, I'm not quick with a knife. It's a lot easier with 2 people, all right. Okay, boom, mushrooms frying down. Jeez, mushrooms are gonna take a while to reduce. Jeez, it's different with 1. It's a lot easier with 2 of us. Okay, we're banging up the pan full heat. Okay, what I did was I bought a pack of stir-fried vegetables. It was €1.50. It's a mix of all sorts of broccoli. You can see it there. There's scallions, there's onions, there's all sorts of lovely veg. I'll fry these down for another quick little bit. Okay, quick trick, which I'm gonna do here is just put the pot on. It's gonna encourage caramelization. It'll make it cook quicker. Jeez, I've only got 2 minutes left. Okay, I'm going in with 3 tablespoons, 1, 2, 3 of tamari. It's pretty much instant flavor. It adds that deep umami flavor. If you've been watching our videos, you know exactly what tamari is. I want to start making it. I think we should. Okay, I'm going to add in our stir-fried veg now. Boom, loads of lovely veg. Great value, actually, those stir-fry packs. So it's mostly, I've got little, what are those little things called? Stir-fried noodles. Stir-fried beans, sprouts, there's onions, there's carrots, there's all sorts of lovely veg there. I'm gonna go straight in there with the rest of our dish. So I got these express cooked brown rice. So for weight loss, make sure and always eat brown carbs rather than white carbs. So by that I'm meaning brown rice, brown couscous, brown, like looking for 100% brown because it's just gonna be much higher in fiber. And the fiber is what actually fills you up. And it makes your stomach, like your stomach is stretching density receptors. And once you eat lots of high fiber foods, it really fills you up and gives you that feeling of satiation, which means you will not eat as many calories. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that reduce quickly. Okay, here's a great top tip, which I did was, I bought a tin of baked beans. Baked beans were only 29 cents, so they were dirt cheap. Whereas if I wanted a can of kidney beans or bralotti beans or something, that was gonna be €1. So literally buy a tin of beans, bring them out to the sink, drain them all in here, and then rinse off all the tomato sauce. And literally you get a tin of beans, you get that costs you, it's the equivalent of it's the exact same as like a €1 tin of beans, but you're getting it for 29 cents, so it's great value. Rinse off all the tomato sauce, and I've got a tin of bralotti, or I think it's bralotti beans, isn't it, in tin bean? Okay, boom. 15 seconds, Jesus, I'm struggling here. It looks good though, doesn't it? Personally, I've got 10 seconds left. I don't think I'm gonna make it. I finally need to season it. Okay, quick. So, yeah, okay. Time's up. Will you give it to me? I don't know. Okay. This is pretty much going to be a 6-minute dinner, not a 5-minute dinner. I don't want to rush it. So finally, just to season it, I'm going to go in with a tablespoon of curry powder. It's just going to add a nice, maybe we'll go with 2 tablespoons. It's just going to give another depth of flavour to it. And I'm going to go in with a little bit of smoked paprika. Smoked paprika will give the kind of nice oxtail hue to it. I personally love it. Some people don't like it. If you don't like a smoky taste, obviously leave it out. I'm going in with a little, probably like a 1/4 teaspoon. And then finally, I think a little bit of chili flakes kind of just gives a nice pop of. If I had a lemon or a lime, I'd probably put that through it. But yeah, just mix it right through. I don't think, personally, I wouldn't put any more salt to it because I've added 3 tablespoons of tamari. So there's quite a lot of, the tamari will give that salty umami flavor. Might add a pinch of black pepper, would be nice through it too, if you like a bit of spice. But see, the curry powder kind of changes the color of it. It starts going kind of brown and goldeny color. But it should be very tasty. This should be a really good dish. I pretty cook it down for just another minute until, like, the broccoli's fine raw. They're nice and kind of fine little florets. Personally, I quite like the broccoli nice and crunchy. But if you did want it properly cooked and soft, you could put a lid on it and steam it for another 3 to 4 minutes. But personally, I'm giving it to myself 6-minute dinner. Personally, it's a 5-minute fail. But this is a good dish. And in terms of weight loss, how it works is because all this veg is really high in fiber. Your stomach is stretching density receptors. So all this high fiber food will fill up your stomach. It'll leave it really full. You'll feel nourished. It's packed with nutrition, so really, really good. And literally it'll cost you €1 per portion. So great one. It'll do well in the fridge for probably 3 days. You probably can freeze it. But yeah, there you have it. My first 5-minute fail. Yeah. It's very tasty. The extra minute really does make a difference. So yeah, 6-minute curry for weight loss, stir fry, banging, super tasty. Thanks for watching. Cheers.